Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from Razor Emporium. First and foremost, happy Thanksgiving. We hope you are enjoying this special day with those around you who you love and you have some time for a good meal. And why am I wearing this hat? If I'm saying happy Thanksgiving, why am I wearing a Santa Claus hat? It is because we are releasing Home for Christmas today. This is the winter seasonal special from Razor Emporium, and I know it's Thanksgiving Day, so I had to grab the pumpkins. These were still on my kitchen table at home. I thought this would be great. My daughter was like, where are you taking my pumpkins? I said, don't worry, I'll bring them back. So we got the pumpkins because pumpkin pie and all the good things you have at Thanksgiving time. But I wanted you guys to not forget. How could you forget this look? That we have the seasonal special Home for Christmas coming out. And what does it smell like? It smells like grandma's making some great gingerbread cookies and gingerbread house. It is spicy, that ginger kind of spice to it. And it smells like fresh baked cookies and bread. It smells like you are home for Christmas. You came home. Grandma is so happy to see you. Grandpa's got the old hat on. You're decorating the tree. And you need a quick lather up in the back room to make sure you get a nice clean appearance for those Christmas morning pictures. You're going to grab Home for Christmas, of course. This is, as I said, we do these seasonal releases, and it's really kind of a pressure release valve on our soap maker, DJ, and Natalie. Natalie's joined the team now, also helping in the soap making department. These two, usually throughout the week, they're making the same redundant thing again and again. I got to make another batch of old school. I got to make another batch of barbershop. And they came to me, years ago, Dondra did, and she said, Matt, I want to do something creative. And I said, have at it. I'm going to give you literally full reign of doing whatever you want to do 4 times a year, 4 seasonal specials. And I mean it. They do the scent. They even do the label. The only influence I had this year is they wanted to call it Grandma's House. I said, I like Home for Christmas better. And so that's the only touch I had on it. But I really do like the smell. It smells fantastic. It does really remind me of going to my grandma's house. My grandma liked baking. She was a baker. And so I always do remember kind of walking in. You know that feeling. You walk in the door and you know that she's been up to something and you know it's going to be good and sweet and yummy and it's going to make you feel like you're home. So get Home for Christmas. We make them in limited supplies. It's not going to be, I think we only made one batch, which I think is around 55 to 65 soaps. So there's not a lot. Get it. It's released today. Enjoy your day. Have a happy Thanksgiving and a Merry Christmas. And that's all I got. If you love gingerbread cookies, if you love your grandma, if you love coming home for Christmas, tell me below in the comments. I want to hear from you. We'll see you guys next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving.